Good morning, traders. It's 23rd of February. It's another Markup Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend and that you are ready to start the trading week again. Let's mark up our first chart, the Nasdaq. And I see that we still have some key levels of the 17th of February. And I see that the chart has been ranging for a couple days. I checked Forex Factory. There is definitely some red news this week, so I bet there's gonna be some more reaction and maybe at one of these levels, but definitely breaking out of this range. So yes, we got these two volume spikes. Let's see which levels we can mark up as well. Nothing from the 18th or 19th. Let's check the 20th, last Friday. I see that the market profile is like sort of a P. The most of the volume was at the top of the day, where also the POC is. Let's see if it's mitigated or not. Yeah, it is mitigated, but I do see this spike just above it. That makes it interesting to mark up. It would close the gap that has been left behind since this morning, and definitely some liquidity just below the level. Definitely a good level to mark up. Like I said, market profile is like sort of a P shape, which means more volume at the top, nothing at the bottom. So I'm not gonna mark up anything from this area. There are some more levels I see here from the 12th of February and from the 11th. Also volume spikes. So far, this is all we can mark up. Yes, okay, good. Let's go to S&P. Same kind of chart. We got two volume spikes from the 17th. Price is ranging as well here in the middle. Nothing to mark up from 18th and 19th, so we zoom in on the 20th, last Friday. Different shape of market profile. There's some volume here, but I can see that's already mitigated during Asian session this morning. So what do we have here at the top? POC is already mitigated, but also here we see a volume spike. And once that's mitigated, it will also close the Monday morning gap. Yeah, nothing else to mark up. So we got these two volume spikes from last week. Also here at the top, two volume spikes, but price is not near it. So let's focus on these levels. Okay, last one. Let's go to gold. Made quite a move this morning. Almost 800 pips. Which levels do we have? I see here two volume spikes from the 18th, not mitigated. Spike here, but has been mitigated the next day. Same for the PUC, mitigated the next day, so we can only zoom in on last Friday. Lots of spikes, but of course the PUC is standing out. So we're definitely marking up that one. Any other levels? Let's check with the indicator we have. This one is standing out, this volume spike. Quite some spikes here, but for me it's not clear which one to mark. There are a lot of spikes, so I just rather focus on the ones that are definitely clear. Now another level that's kind of interesting is the one from the 30th of January. It's quite some days ago, but as you can see, it's aligned here and the market profile is showing quite a spike. So let's zoom in on this morning. It's not mitigated, it just made some equal highs just below the level. So that's a nice level to focus on. My main focus for today, if the alert gets hit, I'll check on the footprint if we're gonna have the confirmation on the 5 minute. Okay, well, that's it. I'll put the screenshots of the 3 charts in the Discord, and if you got any more questions about it, do let me know. And I wish you all a happy trading week.